Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to pair text in photopea. Let's begin. Create a new layer, type text, resize show transform control and resize text style. Then right click on your mouse, rasterize layer, hold control background, align middle. Sorry. Then click the text, create a layer mask, gradient tool, drop down menu, use transparent gradient, let black, click OK and secondly again retype text and see this layer panel opacity. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.